Hi, this is Platinum Computers. Just showing you how we put a full system together for you from new, all the new parts. This is for a customer who's just been in this morning. This customer's actually bought all the parts themselves. That's the motherboard that Mike is now putting the 8-core AMD processor into. Just quite a nice motherboard. See, take the 4 memory slots in there. Put the memory of the processor in and the heatsink outside of the case, just makes it a bit easier to work on. As you can see in the background there's the lady's memory, 16 gig Kingston memory with a 1TB hard drive. Also got a nice Corsair power supply in it, and that's the lady's case there. And the lady's graphics card there, which is an ATI R9 380 with 4 gig of RAM, PCI Express 3. There's the back plate for the motherboard on the case. So now securing the motherboard to the case, This case actually comes with the risers already fitted to the case, which gives stops the motherboard sitting directly on top of the case, which would then cause a shorting, which we've seen quite a few times now when people build their own machines. They forget to put the risers in, and then the machine doesn't boot up when they try. You're just not lined up with the risers properly, yeah? It's important to get it lined up with the risers correctly, just so there is that gap between the motherboard and the case. As you can see, it's a decent sized case, so it allows plenty of airflow through there, help keep the system nice and cool. Cases are very specific to the customer, like it depends on what your taste is and what you want. The customers pick this one themselves. USB 3 on there. I'm just doing the front panels and the reset and on off buttons. These Corsair 750 power spanners. Make sure there's enough power getting put throughout the full system. That nice graphics card and motherboard, hard drive, DVD writer. Make sure there's enough power there for everything. Some people overlook the power supply and think it's not important, but it is a very, very important part of the machine. You'd put a cheap power supply in that's rated at 750, but it's only got cheap components in, and it's possibly not going to give the system the required power throughout. So you would see could see some very strange effects on your machine. There's the motherboard, the graphics card that the ladies chose, which is quite a nice one. AMD, 4GB of RAM, PCI Express 3, overclocked edition, MSI. And motherboard, again MSI. JFX chipset with 8GB of RAM. Sorry, 16GB of RAM.